Okay, we are on, what's this number, 4?
4.
4. We are now in, where are we at? We are,
Goodwill.
we're in Goodwill. We are
Madison?
Marshall, Minnesota, yes. Marshall, Minnesota. And then we're to Brookings, and then finally home. So let's get in here and see what we can find. They close at 9, so we need to hurry up because we still got to make it to Brookings. We're getting there, guys. Okay, we're over here, and this caught my eye. This is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. That is very pretty. Huh. That's pretty cool if they had that. Surprised to still see Christmas out. Alright guys, let's see what else we can find. Alright. Oh, I'm an avid fisherman and I love salmon, but this is flour and ink. Yeah, Bogart, Georgia. But they're $1 a piece, guys. I mean, these are cool. And there's 2 of them. I'm thinking that would be.
They're very nice.
Yeah, they're really nice. Okay, I'll grab those. They look like they're in good shape too. All right. That's a big glass right there.
Big margarita.
Big margarita glass. Okay, this is Mexico. It's cute. It's tiny. Yeah, I was looking at that vase right there. It's very pretty. Okay. It's been a while since I've had to go up and down aisles to go, like, look. If you want to go look at clothes, you can.
No, I'm looking at the snowman in the middle here.
I know, I already looked at him. Oh, it's broke. Look at this, guys. This thing was so pretty. Twisted all the way down. Yeah, it's broken. Chipped. That's sad. That is so sad. Is that another Opal house? No, it's World Market. All right. I got some artwork up here on the wall. Like, really liking this flamingo and its baby. I'll have to come back to that. Okay, what you didn't see me pick up is these wonderful Charlie Brown Encyclopedia, Volume 1, 6. There's another, oh, there's double 6s. Oh, that's okay. There's 2, another 1, so we have some duplicates on it.
This is a signed piece.
Oh, that's cool, actually.
These are snakes. They're usually good.
I don't think there's just snakes though, hon. No. But it looks like Roku.
That is. That's a good deal. Well, whatever.
No, it's so cool though.
Yeah.
It's got great glaze. Speckled part. You said it's signed?
Yeah, it's a signed signature there.
For $1? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm curious about that piece right there, though. I wonder how much it is. Yeah. Probably gonna regret that, but yeah. Let's see what she is. $5. She was done at Timber's Edge, Sioux Center, Minnesota. Craig and Mary Verheaven. Oh. Hold on, guys. Okay, so we picked up the wood pelican, or not pelican, but flamingo. And then there was a chalk one that was over there. So let's see what else we can find. Oh wow, look at this. dried flowers in behind it. Now you keep this down. Alright. Alright guys, let's see what I can find. Okay, here we go. I'll go over here on this side. And I saw this. That is usually out of Gary. Mackinac Island. Really love these old mugs. They're not real old, but they're nice vintage ones. And for $1. You can grab that. What do we have here? Ooh, now that I like. No, that one. For $1, we'll take that. Turn that around to me. Made in Korea. Yes, that one. And probably the other one too. Always check these baskets on the ends, guys. Always. Can you pop that in for me? You know me and my bird stuff. Yeah. Alright, we have to turn this off, guys. Oh my god, my hands smell so bad from digging stuff out of that vase, but I don't know. Oh, it's really, here, smell.
It's getting worse.
Come on, smell.
Run away.
It's really bad. I really like that mirror. It's actually a nice little mirror. It's new. It's contemporary. It's cool. Ooh, what's this?
I saw that poster.
No, it's Metropolitan Museum poster.
What is a poster?
Yeah.
What's that?
Well, sometimes these can be worth good money. It's according to the Impressionists. I'm going to. Hold on. All right. A nice little basket here. 1990s. I'm not sticking my hands in anything else to take out fake weeds ever again. I was looking at this poster up here. This was an Impressionist early modern painting called The Goldfish from Russia. And some of them go for like $40, but that is really big and I don't want to take it out of the frame. So I'm afraid of damaging it. So, yeah. Let me go over here where things are safe to touch. So I'm stuck with, I even put like tons of stuff on my hands to try to get it to go away. No, it's not going away. I haven't seen one of these in a while. Here, do me a favor, pull that side. Pull that side gently. It'll open up.
Yeah.
There we go. Slowly. These are great little baskets. Like if you have fruits and vegetables, and then if you like, especially if you live in like a little apartment, you get just collapses down. That's good. That's as far as it goes. He doesn't know his own strength sometimes. But yeah, these are great little baskets. And then they just collapse down. Makes it kind of nice to be able to put stuff away. They're great little items. I love little kitchen stuff like that. Huh?
Selected tea light. Well, I'd rather take that out and make it a...
He'd like to disembowel it. That's what he's telling you. All right. Not really seeing too much here. We are here late, but we got to get to the other one that's in Brookings. So I'll turn you back on if I find anything before we leave besides what we already have. And yeah, let's see what else we can find. All right. Okay, so I just picked up this great dish. That's a nice brush. That almost looks like for pool tables.
Do you think so?
There's a Holland mold. So this is really great. 1980. It's a great little soap dish for somebody's room. 75 cents. Can't beat that. Oh no, that's a shoe. That's a shoe horn. Shoe brush.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And just catch the shoe horn part.
It's because your hand was on it. There's a Starbucks mug. I don't know enough about these guys. I really don't. Honestly, I don't drink Starbucks. Unless it's in a bottle and it says mocha. Then I drink it. Other than that, I don't. Hold on for a second. All right, let's see what else we can find. I am still looking. We are still in here. Oh, checking out the turtles over here. Oh my gosh. Magnetic turtles. That is too cute. I mean, it really is. 75 cents a piece. They are cute. Majorly cute. Okay, wow, I like that. It's pretty. I don't really like this one. It's this one I wanted to look at. This is really pretty. I like the glaze on it. Ooh. You guys see that? Look how pretty that is. That is great cut glass. Wow. Yes. Yes, please. How much? $3. We'll take that. I know. A lot of people are like, oh, people don't like clear glass. I do. So if it doesn't sell, I will keep it. It's fine. It's a glass piece here. It is signed. Czechoslovakian glass for $2.75. I like that. Oh, that just killed it. The big schnutz on the top. I'm trying to figure out what this duck is for. Anyway, almost to the end. Abe's over here looking for shirts. He needs to be on this side. Abe's a tall man. He is not a medium to small. All right, let's see what else I can find. Okay, so pulled up on this. Said I was going to get clothes today, but this is a Hula Hula Hawaii. It's a 3X, made in Bali. This is single stitch. This is lovely. All the buttons are here. Yep. I'm gonna grab this. I'll grab that one. Yeah, it's a large now.
Depends on the manufacturer.
It's a large. All right, I think we're done. All right, see you at the next Goodwill.